Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Thermomix TM5, specifically addressing contact issues. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount. Once unplugged, flip the device over to access the screws on the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. With the screws removed, gently lift the base cover. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Once open, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or loose connections. Now let's focus on the contacts. These are crucial for the device's functionality. Use your multimeter to test the continuity of the contacts. If you find any issues, it may be necessary to clean them. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. If the contacts are corroded, a small amount of isopropyl alcohol can help clean them effectively. If you reckon this is too hard, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Once the contacts are clean, reassemble the device. Carefully place the base cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. After reassembly, plug the Thermomix TM5 back in and test its functionality. If it powers on and operates smoothly, you've successfully repaired it. If not, it might be time to consider professional assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand the issue without any pressure. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you get your Thermomix TM5 back in working order. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.